Damn it! The zipper is stuck again, and you're trying with all your might to move it. You pull, you tug, but it won't budge. Frustration is building, right? If you could, you'd probably throw that jacket out the window, but then you'd freeze outside. So, take a breath, it's not all lost. Instead of fighting with it, put the jacket down for a moment and take a deep breath. Now, look closely at the zipper. Maybe a piece of fabric is caught between the teeth? If so, gently pull it out. Now grab a pencil. Yes, a regular pencil. You could bite it out of frustration, but it's better if you rub the graphite tip along the zipper teeth. Especially near the slider, graphite acts as a dry lubricant and, surprisingly, makes the zipper slide more smoothly. Once you've applied it, gently move the slider up and down to distribute the graphite evenly. If the pencil doesn't do the trick, there are other options. You can use a cotton swab dipped in olive oil, petroleum jelly, or bar soap. Just a small amount is enough to get the zipper moving again. Apply your chosen lubricant, then wiggle the slider once more. Problem solved, and you can finally breathe a sigh of relief. And if you don't want to struggle with fixing the zipper, not this zipper, which will probably break again soon, you can also buy a new one in various colors and lengths. Check the link in my description right now. There, you'll also find an amazing sewing machine at a great price, so you can replace the zipper yourself at home for free. Have a great day and see you soon!